Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. This error occurs when we want to access drive, partition or folder, that is location is not available, the file or directory is corrupted and unreadable. This error occurs even when I enter the drive and click on the folders. If this happens, I will show you how to solve this problem. This problem can also occur on a partition drive or a folder inside a drive. So we need to work with this drive. So let's go. We will go to search option and write here cmd. Command prompt, right click and go to run as administrator and OK. Here you write chkdsk D for affected drive. Here you see this drive D. You will click. This is the error. So I will write D. Enter. After scanning and completing, the problem will be fixed. So we will wait 2 or 3 minutes. After completing, we will close the command prompt and go to the drive which is affected. Here you click. The problem has been solved. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have benefited from this video, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.